Model 2020 Skoda Superb Shay L 2.0 TDI DSG automatic starts and runs great, needs turbo replacement. Body, black, estate. Mileage, 191953. MOT, the 21st of July 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI DSG. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfectly, runs great. Turbo needs replacing, straightforward turbo replacement job. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seating area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest car which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, sat-nav, reversing camera, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.